You know, come to think of it, is that copper or rose gold? There is a light on the front. Around back, there is no lights or anything, but on the seat, there is a battery integrated flashing light as well as that light. That runs on its own little battery under the seat. So we get a medium-ish chainring, 7 gears on a cassette, 14 through 28 teeth, and a Shimano Tourney TZ derailleur. All right, bros, let's check out the Burchda HC26 for a rip. So I did decide to remove the rear rack. I was not going to be carrying anything on the rear rack, so I chose weight savings over attaching the other 2 bolts, but it does come with the rear rack. And the other part is it does come with saddlebags. You could store some stuff. Obviously that whole thing would just kind of go right on the rack like that, which is cool. And also it does come with the good quality mirror. So these would just kind of go right up here. I don't really want to weigh down the bike's handling. And they also give us a basic cable lock. So a lot more accessories than the typical bike. So we got this thing at a full charge. We'll check our official range on this big old 30 amp hour 48 volt battery. Let's swing the leg on over and get out of there.